In this video, we will study about instantaneous values. The instantaneous values are defined as the values of voltage and current that exist at any given instant t in a circuit is known as instantaneous value. So we can say that V instantaneous is equal to V, which is equal to V naught sine theta, is equal to V naught sine 2 pi ft, which is equal to V naught sine omega t. Same is for instantaneous value of current. Remember that V is the instantaneous value between positive voltage and negative voltage, which tells us that the sinusoidal graph is a set of all instantaneous values. Remember that the peak values of voltage and current are V naught and I naught. And if we talk about the peak to peak values, it is the sum of positive and negative peak values. Now let's talk about the effective values. These values are the root mean square values. These are the square root of the average of squared instantaneous values of voltage or current in a period. Here voltage root mean square is equal to V naught over under root 2, which is equal to 0.707 V naught, and current root mean square value is equal to I naught over under root 2, which is equal to 0.701 I naught. Remember that practically all the calculations are based on RMS value. It is because the average value of the sinusoidal symmetric signal is 0 over a cycle, but RMS value is not. That's all for this video.